don't know whether you're asleep or awake. But does it really matter? Does anything really matter? Not even your name matters here. Because it doesn't matter where you were when you were awake. It doesn't matter how far you ran off to school with your little friends and how much knowledge you learned and packed in your teeny little head. Because right now, you're just mud in someone's veins. You're just the knot that won't stay tight. You just slip right into a patch of mushrooms, along with the bass guitar that no one wants to play. You're here alone, but not quite, with my friends. I'm sure they'll give you a proper welcome.
I'm sure you've had a proper welcome here. Colin. They call me the Phantom. As you can see, I was the greatest experiment of Winston V. You may be his next victim. Enjoy your stay at the Doorbells in the woods.
Poor boy, you're all tied up. Good evening, I'm Madame Valence. And how can I serve you this evening? I can assure you, I have many specialties.
Welcome, my boy. What brings you to these parts? Speechless, I see. Well, just to let you know, my name is Senator Chester. I'm the town inspector in these parts, you see. If you need anything, just call me. And don't worry about them. Stick by me and everything will be great.
Well, listen, it's all about in the woods. You're gonna love it here, kid. Welcome to the party.
Something new, something fresh is to come our way. At least, that's what the cards tell me.
Poor boy never speaks. Got to be something wrong with that. Maybe I'll investigate it.
I think we found something in this kid. Don't know what it is, but he's got spunk. I like him. I think we should keep him.
Maybe. I think we ought to keep him for different reasons, though. How can you tell he's got spunk? Don't even open his mouth yet. I do agree with you in terms of keeping the boy.
I think we should keep him. He seemed to like our welcome.
Dear boy!
Dear Mad Hatter, found your hat for you. You ain't much without it now, are you? But good old Dr. Time pulled through.
Make yourself comfy. Grab it up.
Well, they encourage your complete cooperation. Send you roses when they think you need to smile. I can't control myself because I don't know how. When they love me for it, honestly, I'll be here for a while. So give them blood, blood, gallons of the stuff. Give them all that they can drink and it will never be enough. So give them blood, blood, blood. Grab a glass because there's going to be a flood. A celebrated man amongst the gurneys. They can fix me proper with a bit of luck. The doctors and the nurses, they adore me so, but it's really quite alarming, 'cause I'm such an awful stuff. I gave you blood, blood, gallons of the stuff. I gave you all that you can drink, and it has never been enough. I gave you blood, blood, blood. I'm the kind of human wreckage that you love.
Well, boy, it was short, but it was sure fun.
I hope you enjoyed your stay here.
Make sure you look me up next time you get to ever come back here.
It's a shame. We could have had a lot of fun.
You know what? You did pretty good. I'm proud of you, my boy. Yeah.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Sweet dreams.
See you later, alligator.
I hate botched goodbyes. Not funny!
Well, they encourage your complete cooperation. Send you roses when they think you need to smile. I can't control myself because I don't know how. When they love me for it, honestly, I'll be here for a while. So give them blood, blood, gallons of the stuff. Give them all that they can drink and it will never be enough. So give them blood, blood, blood. Grab a glass because there's going to be a flood.